Easily add text to annotate your videos. Tap here for the rich text editor. Tap on a text box and type in your text. Touch and drag over the text box to reposition your text. Tap here to rotate. Drag 2 fingers to customize the size of your text. To choose a section of your video where text should appear, drag these bars over the timeline to select the start and end. Select a color from the palette here. If you would like, you can add a text background color here. This can help make the text easier to read. Then, choose your font. To preview the text on your video, tap here. If you're happy with your text, tap Done. If you'd like to exit without saving your text, tap Cancel. Use text to enhance and personalize your videos.